Today, I'm going to share with you a challenge posted to me by one of my viewers. They told me, hey Ken, look, our age is 30, our combined salary is $7,000. We're looking for a brand new, free bidder, condo near the MRT. And our main requirement is after the down payment and stamp duty, we are not going to top up anything from our cash savings all the way until we collect our keys. Can it be done? After I did my homework and my research, I gave them something even better. It's at the end of this video. I'll show you. Alright, hi everyone, I'm Ken from Ken Tay. Like, share and subscribe to my channel, Facebook and YouTube to make sure you don't miss any of my how-to videos. Let's call these viewers who contacted me Ali and Mary. Multiracial, Ali and Mary. Their age is 30, which is good news. They can take maximum 30 years bank loan, which is great. We need to leverage on our age and income to offer properties with minimum cash usage. Next, their combined salary is $7,000. What can you afford at $7,000? If you have no outstanding car loan and other loans, your purchase price will be around 1.2 million. After looking through all the brand new launches in Singapore, I got them this. Free bidder, brand new, the price tag is at 1.053 million. 1.053. Maintenance fee is cheaper than a HDB 4-room flat. Let me repeat, the maintenance fee is cheaper than a HDB 4-room flat. It's near the MRT, I recorded a video for them, and it has 28 clubhouses with 11 swimming pools. But have I met all their requirements? They told me they don't want to pay anything all the way until they collect their keys. This is the amazing part. I did a calculation for them. With their combined salary, every month they only have to pay through CPF. No cash payment, all the way until they collect their keys. And what's the secret? And what's the best thing I got for them? If they choose to, after they move in, they can choose not to pay any cash, only CPF after they move in. If you want this secret, all you have to do is ask. When you trust me with your millions, I can only give you the best. I'll see you